Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 7. So in the last class we have started with the fraction and also we have started with the types of fraction and also we have started the conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction and also we have started with the conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fraction. So also you have studied the definition of fraction. Fraction, the numbers expressed in the form of a by b where b is not equals to 0 and what are a and b? A and b are natural numbers. Also you have studied definition of proper fraction and example for proper fraction. So proper fraction numbers in which the numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction, and also improper fraction the numbers which is greater than numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. Mixed fraction, the whole and its parts. Okay, so this is the some of the types you have studied, and also you have studied conversion of improper to mixed fraction and also mixed fraction to improper fraction. In this session or in this video you are going to learn the multiplication of fraction by whole number. So multiplication of fraction by whole number says, so here multiplication of fraction, so this is a fraction and this is a whole number, this is also fraction, so this is a whole number. So multiplication of fraction is, so here this is 3 by 5 is a fraction, 3 is a whole number, 4 by 5 is a fraction, 2 is a whole number. So here I take here down 1, I take here 1 down because 1 is hidden here. What I do, I multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So here I multiply 3 into 3, 3 into 3, and this is 5 into 1. So this is 5 into 1 which is equals to 3 3 is a 9. And what about this 5 1s are 5. Okay, so this is 9 by 5. Similarly, see, observe this example 4 by 5. 4 by 5 into 2 by 1. What do? You multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 4 into 2 which is equals to 5 into 1. Okay, so now see 4 2s are, that is it is 8, and similarly 5 1s are 5. Okay, one more example if you want to take for the fraction with the whole number. I take this 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is an fraction. Now choose any whole number. So whole number if I choose only 1. Okay, so again it is 1 is here, denominator in 1 is hidden. So again multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 6 1s are, it is 6 1s are and into 3 into 1. So 6 1s are which is equals to 6 and 3 1s are 3. So again if you do simplest form you are getting as answer is 2. That is 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So answer you are getting as 2. So this is the concept of multiplication of fraction by whole number. Okay, so please note down this concept of multiplication of fraction by whole number. Hello dear students, now welcome to the new concept, that is multiplication of fraction by fraction. So multiplication of fraction by fraction. So before going to multiplication of fraction, so you take this formula, that is product of fractions is equals to, so product of fractions is equals to product of numerators you take product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So you have to take this formula, that is product of fractions. Product of fractions is equals to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So now our question, so this plays very important formula. So now see, the first question says multiplication of fraction by fraction. This is fraction, this is also fraction. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. First thing you have to do, that is 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. Multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator, and write the required answer. So see, I write 2 into 4 divided by 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Okay. So now 2 4s are 8 and similarly 3 5s are 15. So the answer you get as 8 by 15. Okay. Similarly, observe this example, 8 into 10. So multiply numerator 8 into 10 and similarly multiply with the denominator 17 into 3. This 17 into 3 which is equals to 8 into 10 which is equals to 80. Similarly denominator with 17 into 3, 7 3s are 21, 1 carry 7, that is 51, 17 3s is 51. Okay, now comes to the one more example, 5 by 3 into 3 by 2. 5 by 3, now multiply 5 into 3 numerator with the numerator, similar denominator 3 into 2, that is 3 into 2 which is equals to 5 3s are 15. Similarly 3 2s are 6. So 15 by 6. Similarly, now see, it is mixed fraction and we have to do multiplication of fraction by fraction. So this is 1 integer 1 by 6 into 2 integer 1 by 5. So first you convert this, that is mixed fraction, to improper fraction. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1 which is equals to 7 by 6 into 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 which is equals to 11 by 5. So this is 11 by 5. Now multiply numerator with the numerator, that is 7 into 11 divided by 6 into 5. 6 into 5. This 11 7s are 77 and similarly 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. So this is the multiplication of fraction by fraction. These are the some of the problems. It is 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. I got the answer as 8 by 15. Similarly 8 by 17 into 10 by 3. I got the answer as 80 by 51. Similarly 5 by 3 into 3 by 2. I got the required answer as 15 by 6. Similarly 1 integer 1 by 6 into 2 integer 1 by 5. The answer you got as 77 by 30. Okay, so go through this concept and note down these problems. Dear students, now welcome back to the exercise number 2.1. In that I am going to solve some of the examples of the first main and some of the examples of the second main. Just open your textbook and solve the remaining examples of first main and second main, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so all of you are solving regularly, it's very good. Okay, so just go through this one also. So see here, multiply first main 4 integer 1 by 3 into 9 integer 1 by 4. 4 integer 1 by 3 into 9 integer 1 by 4. First these are in the form of mixed fraction, convert in the form of improper fraction. 4 3s are or 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 which is equals to 13, 13 by 3 into 4 9s are, that is 4 9 4s are 36 or 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 1 which is equals to 37 by 4. Okay, so now you have to do here now 13 3 and this is 37 into 4. So now you multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So I multiply numerator with the numerator, that is 13 into 37 whole divided by 3 into 4. Okay, so now you will get, that is 13 into 37. So 13 into 37, if you multiply 37 into 13, that is 3 7s are 21 and 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 which is equals to 11 plus 1 7s are 7, similarly 1 3s are 3. Okay, so now see, it is 1 plus 7 which is equals to 8, 1 plus 3 which is equals to 4, that is 481. So you will get the numerator as 481. So you can write this as 481 whole divided by 3 4s are 12. So answer you required is 481. If you multiply 4 integer 1 by 3 into 9 integer 1 by 4, the answer you are getting as 481 by 12. Okay, so please note down the first problem. Second problem, similarly I am going to solve. Second one, see here all of you. it is 20, nothing here, 1 is hidden, into 13 integer 1 by 5, that is 13 5s are 65 plus 5 13s are is 65 plus 1, which is equals to 66 by 5. Okay, so now multiply numerator with the numerator, that is 20 into 66 whole divided by 1 into 5. Okay, so just multiply this. So I go this 5 ones are 5 4s are, okay, 5 ones are 5 4s are, I need to do only 66 into 4. I do 66 into 4, that is 6 4s are 24, 6 4s are 24 plus 2, which is equals to 26. That is the answer you get is 264. So this is the second one, that is 20 into 13 integer 1 by 5. I got the required answer as 264. Please note down this problem. Next one, last problem I am going to solve, that is once again from the first main, 1 by 7 into 5 integer 2 by 3. So 1 by 7 I write as it is, into 3 5s are 15 plus 2, which is equals to 17 by 3. So now multiply 1 into 17 whole divided by 7 into 3, that is 7 into 3, which is equals to 17 ones are 17 and 7 3s are 21. So 17 by 21 is your required answer. If you multiply 1 by 7 into 5 integer 2 by 3, the answer you get is 17 by 21. So please note down this problem. Now next one I am going to solve, that is 2 by 3 of rupees 90 means 2 by 3 of means into, which is equals to 90. Okay, so now it is, that is I do, that is 3 ones are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are, or 3 30s is 90. So 3 2s are 6, which is equals to rupees 60. 30 2s is rupees 60. Okay, first of all 90 divided by 3 1s are 3 30s is 90. Next 30 into 2, which is equals to rupees 60, or 90 by, you do 3 first. Okay, so again if you do 90 by 2, 3 you are getting as rupees, that is 3 3s are, how much it is, 30 you are getting. Again this 30 you have to multiply with 2, 30 into 2 you are getting as rupees 60. Okay, similarly 1 by 7 of means into week. We know that 1 week is equals to, we know that is 1 week is equals to 7 days. 1 week is equals to 7 days. So write into 7. So 1 by 7 into 7, the answer you get is 1, because 7 and 7 get cancelled. So answer you get as 1. Okay, so these are some of the problems I have solved, and some of the problems of first main and second main you have to solve by yourself, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay.